Greetings everyone, I hope you're all well. Change of scenery today. I thought I'd get out a little bit in nature and just come for a bit of a chill really. On my way I did come across some maples, funnily enough. Now I'm not normally a fan of maples. I think they're quite common in the bonsai world, but I thought, well, that doesn't stop you from having a go, so I came out to this beautiful location here, and I thought I'd do a bit of Yamadori, whatever it's called. So this is what I found anyway. I kind of looked at, I saw these yesterday, so I thought I'd come back today and come and give them a dig. So I came with trusty little spade, shovel, whatever type thing. So I managed to get them kind of, I don't know if you can see, I can't see my screen because of the sun shining on it, but I managed to try and get them from the roots as well. So I'm just on my way home now to get them potted up. I'm not sure what this one is. I shall have to do it's not a maple, I know that much, but I quite like the look of that one on its own there. And I got 3 different maples here, so I hope you can see them. Like I say, I can't see my screen because the sun just reflects my ugly mush back at me, so all I can see is myself. I hope you can see these okay, but I'll get them home and get them potted up or planted in the ground, whichever is the best move. But I just thought I'd come and share this beautiful peace and tranquility here. Absolutely beautiful. See you soon, guys. Okay, I'm back home and got the old shovel out here, and I've just basically dug a little trench along here for these maples that I just found. Well, upcosted legally, of course. Yeah, this soil around this area is renowned for being quite clay-like as well. So I'm going to be putting a bit of compost in there, and then I'll plant them up, and I'll stop the video once I've done that, so you can see them in their glory. So this was the other fella that I got on my little venture today. I hope he's going to be alright though, because the root system was damaged, unfortunately, so I hope he pulls through. But I think this is a English Hawthorn. Yeah, I'll have to do some more research just to confirm that, but he's looking pretty cool. So Mr. Buddha here can look after him for me, take good care of him. Okay, so I've got them planted in now, and I've tried to fasten them to these bamboo poles, because here it's like extremely windy, and yeah, I just want to give them the best chance possible. I think next stage is to just put some, give them some water really. Oh, excuse me. Oh, come on in. So there they are. Okay, let's give him some water. So what I also did was the clay type soil here that you can see, I just covered it back over the top. So there's like a layer of clay, and then we have some compost just to give those roots a chance to you know, kind of anchor and whatnot, and then back to the clay again so that they can kind of get used to it. But I'm sure that they'll probably be used to it anyway. That's probably where they come from. So like I say, it's very clay-like around this area. So there we go. That should do them. I'll just do these as well. So yeah, had no plans to do this video, so but I thought, well, why not? As I have them in my hands and out and about. So there we go, 3 little maples. I have no idea what type of maples they are, so I'll have to do some research into those. Super, it's been a beautiful day today for a change as well.